Welcome back to my 7th grade science teacher, Science and Politics Part 2. Moneyed interests do get in the way of science in the US. Two past examples are tobacco and lead. Science is very fluid. There are always new avenues to explore. We are throwing out old ideas all the time. Clever propagandists can exploit this fluidity. The tobacco example is well known. Tobacco companies fought back on any research that showed the dangerous effects of smoking. It is now considered the primary source of lung cancer. They supported their own studies that suggested no harm comes from smoking. They were able to delay the inevitable, yet eventually caved and were forced to make a big payout. Now they mainly export cigarettes to 4 countries. Lead was found almost everywhere by a scientist named Patterson, starting in the 1950s. Lead causes largely irreversible brain damage. Lead was added to gasoline to make engines run better. The workers creating the additive went insane and many died. Enough lead was added to the atmosphere by millions of automobiles and trucks that levels 600 times above normal were found in everyday people. Patterson was denigrated and attacked by the petroleum industry, but unleaded gas became the norm in 1977. Lead was banned in paint at about the same time. Recently, high lead levels were found in the water in Flint, Michigan. Many older cities like DC still have some lead water pipes, but they are being replaced. The ancient Romans had lead water pipes, and some of their emperors' erratic behavior is now attributed to lead poisoning. Many studies show a dramatic increase in overall temperature since humans have been burning fossil fuels, gasoline, coal, and natural gas, which add carbon dioxide to the atmosphere and keep more heat in. These were all created by the decay of ancient plants. Just a few degrees increase in average temperature can cause a dramatic increase of ice melt, wildfires, and crazy weather. The melting ice is raising sea levels and threatening coastal cities, which are most of them. As with these previous problems, the longer we take to agree that there is a problem, the less time we will have to solve it. Like the tobacco folks, the people who benefit from selling fossil fuels don't want to be put out of business and will try to delay as long as possible. Reminiscent of Dr. Patterson, let's encourage them to get the lead out.